kids, welcome to Check with Mrs. Child. Alright, so we've got our question here. We have to solve the area of one, oops, I accidentally blanked that out, is 4 and 8,500 square inches. What is the area of a quilt made with 10 to the second fabric squares? Okay, so I need to do a little work. Oh no, is it not going to let me write? Yes, it will. Okay guys, so I'm super excited. So I'm going to write my equation over here. 4 and 8,500 times 10 to the second power. All right, so what do I need to do first? 10 to the second power. There's a couple ways I can go about solving this. I know that 10 to the second power means the number 1 with 2 zeros. So now I have the equation 4 and 8,500 times 100. Okay, so I see that 100 has 2 zeros. So if I use my knowledge of patterns, I know that I can move the decimal place 2 times to the right because I'm multiplying by a bigger number, so I know my answer is going to get larger. So I should get 485. Now I can go and I can check my answer with the multiplication. So over here, I can do a little multiplying. 100 times, and if I move my decimal 2 places, 485. Okay, do a little math over here. 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, and then I'll put my 0 in, hold my place. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0, and 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, I'm going to put my 2 zeros in. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 1 is 4. All right, so that leaves me with all these partial products to add up. That's easy, that's a 0. That's easy, that's a 0. That's easy, that's a 5. That's easy, that's an 8. That's easy, that's a 4. So I've ended up with 48500. And the last step is to move my decimal 2 places since I moved it 2 times here. So if I move it back once, twice, I get the answer 485, which was my same answer I got over here when I used my knowledge of patterns. So remember, when I see that exponent, that 2 right there, that can help me remember that I have to move my decimal 2 places to the right. Think about the word Baskin-Robbins. And here's my hint. So if it's bigger, which is the B, so 10 to the second power, that's a bigger number, I move it to the right. So Baskin-Robbins, bigger number, move it to the right for your decimal. All right, boys and girls, hope that was helpful. Hope you were able to check your answer with mine.